Why is my life like this all the time? If there would not be coronavirus, there wouldn't be online lectures, and I would have a timetable something like this. Already don't want eyes on me, and that is one major thing that makes me not want to go to college. I just have one friend, and I'm not even gonna sit with her in college. It's Monday, and like I said in the last vlog, offline. I'm not really sure. I'm not really unhappy about it, which is very, very, very strange. I thought maybe I will vlog this week. So what they have done is, uh, half of the people are going to attend Monday, Wednesday, Friday online. Don't mind my hair. I just woke up. And other half of the people are going to attend Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So I'm supposed to attend on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and the other 3 days I'll be attending online. So I thought that I'll just film whatever I can. I'll give you updates in the middle, maybe, or maybe at the end of the college. I don't think I'll film in college. Already don't want eyes on me. I'm not going to lie, I am a little nervous about how it's going to turn out, because it's very easy to just see this much and not think that I am not 19. But when you see the whole me, um, maybe people would know that, oh, she's older. And I have always spoken about this, even on Instagram and even on YouTube, that it doesn't matter what my age is. And you can say that probably because it is online, it did not matter. I was really happy that it was online for the first year, because generally in the first year, professors tend to want to be introduced to you, and they want to know who you are and what you were doing last year, like in 12th. Were you in this college? Were you in another college? If you have shifted from one stream to arts, why did you shift? And all of those questions. And I don't want to lie, I hope second year में कोई ये stupid सवाल ना पूछे, because we have already been acquainted with the professors for 1.5 years, although it was online, but still. So also, a 19-year-old's body is going to be different from a 29-year-old's body. Okay, like definitely it's going to be different, but let's see how it goes. Also, one of my psychology professors, she is younger than me. Okay, so during an online lecture once, she spoke about Hannah Montana and High School Musical, and so the 90s stuff that was so nostalgic for me. And she said that High School Musical came out when she was in the 6th, 7th standard, and I was like, because when High School Musical came out, I was in the 9th standard. So I was like, what? You are 3-4 years younger than me. What? We have her lecture today at 11:30, offline. So she is going to see me in person. That's another thing that I'm nervous about. Not because she is younger than me or anything, but people in our class say that I am her favorite. And I find that very cute and strange a bit. So I'm nervous to meet her in person. Also, I have a soft spot for her because of her way of thinking and the way she teaches. And again, she is from my age bracket in a way. So somewhere I actually want to be her friend, like genuine friend, and not just have this student-teacher relationship with her. Maybe someday when I'm done with college, and if she hasn't found out my real age, maybe we could be, maybe not, I don't know. But I really hope that I would actually be friends with her. So that's like the morning update right now. It's 7:35. My college begins around 7:30, but I don't have the morning lectures. Like I don't have those subjects, so I don't have to go. I directly have to go around 10 o'clock. So I guess I'm gonna leave an hour early because I can actually go by bus, but I'm planning to go by train so that I get to walk a little bit. That's my plans because I just want to get as much exercise as I can while going and coming from college. At least 3 times a week. That's not bad as compared to no exercise. If I look oily, it's because I just moisturized my face and I'm sitting without the fan because उसकी आवाज़ बहुत आती है. This whole blended mode thing offline plus online is so confusing and complicated and not thought through. So I just found out from one friend. So basically, I just have one friend in college, and her offline classes are from on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Mera Wednesday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and hers is the other side. I just have one friend, and I'm not even gonna sit with her in college. Like, why is my life like this all the time? Anyway, so we are given a blended mode timetable, and then we already had an online timetable that we had been following for the past 6 months or so. So we were really confused that when we are supposed to attend our online lectures on our online day, which timetable we are supposed to follow. Like the college has not even mentioned that. We have psychology together at 8:15 according to the online timetable, but according to the offline timetable, she has history. So our question was like, which lecture do we have? So basically she has history, which is according to the offline timetable. So like blended mode, the new timetable that we got yesterday. So we are supposed to follow that from now on. That's one confusing thing that wasn't actually mentioned by the college, and we were supposed to just assume it, which is really stupid, I feel. But that one thing is sorted. Another thing that was a problem is that when I woke up at around 6:30, and like I woke up on my own at 6:30, and I saw this notification on a psychology group from the HOD saying that the POA, which is psychology of adjustment, that teacher is not going to do offline, she's only going to do online. And I am like, so if I am in college during her lecture, so I already have a lecture before her lecture, and I'm going to have a lecture after her lecture, like offline. So how am I supposed to attend her lecture, which is going to be online because she's not going to take offline lectures? So I'm supposed to waste or use my data pack for this? Why is my question. And I also found out that some professors, so like my friend had history lecture in the morning, which was online for her, but there are going to be people who have it offline, and my friend was like doing it online, told me that the professor told the offline students to also join online. Like that is so silly. Matlab, what is going on? So basically, anyway, so I don't have to go at 9:50 right now because I would be attending that lecture online because I'm already home, and I have a lecture thankfully at 11:30. So I'm going to leave an hour early, so I think I'll be done. So 9:50 to 10:40 hai, so I will be leaving at 10:40. Literally, I think I'm going to start getting ready while attending the lecture. I guess because one of my friend who has a lecture at 10:40 in college, she is going to be attending the POA lecture at 9:50 while traveling in train or bus or whatever, and I'm like, this is so bad. Matlab, I'm just wondering if you have blended mode offline and online lectures, how is it going? Like, what is the whole system that your college or university has come up with? I would really want to know because I always knew my college is shit. No offense to anyone, but it is. And now when you can see it. thought we would talk a little bit about how my day went. So, this blended mode, which is online and offline, is very, very, very weird and something that will take a lot of time to get used to, not just for me as a student, but also for the professor. So, I had psychology today, and it was half offline, half online. So, मेरे लिए and people with me, like half of the class had it offline, and there were only 5 people who came, and other half or more maybe were online. So she was actually sitting with her laptop in front of us, but she had turned off her video, she said, and then she was just explaining and looking at us, the offline people. That is okay, and that will get some time, that will take some time to get used to. But other things like so after that lecture, I had statistics immediately, and that professor said that I'm going to take it online only, and I'm like, so what do you expect? Do you expect us to use our data, our phone data? Which is exactly what I did. I was sitting in a classroom and attending stats lecture online. I mean, you could be like, oh, you couldn't go home, but it was the next lecture. I would take at least 40 to 45 minutes to get home. I did not have so much of time. So I had to attend the lecture there and then, and that is the weirdest thing. And that is one major thing that makes me not want to go to college. I'm not making any promises that I will go or I will not go, nothing of that sort. Tomorrow is Tuesday and it's going to be online for me. Hey guys, just a few things to tell you about what happened today. I just went to college for one lecture because psychology lecture, and I really liked that ma'am. And I was not sure if I would have stats right after that. So I just carried the textbook, but कुछ group पे नहीं आया था, so I left, and I was at the station when I got the text on the group that the lecture is going to be in like 20 minutes from the time I saw that post. I was a bit late, but they started late, so it was okay. And I attended the lecture somehow, as you can see. It was all messed up. I was so sweaty and disgusted. Hey guys, I'm just getting home. It's around 9:30, 9:45. So, yeah. Finally, the week is over. Don't mind the mess around me. Tomorrow is Sunday and our Diwali cleaning is not done yet. So my room, like my parents and my room is left. Iskaliye all the saman is outside and the guy is going to come tomorrow morning to clean up. I am filming this at midnight. I'm not even joking. As you can see, it's midnight. So I just wanted to come here and just talk to you about how this whole week was like. To be honest, I did not expect to enjoy offline school. I was not really happy about offline school, but I guess I was mentally prepared कि like नहीं अभी जाना ही पड़ेगा. There is no way out of this, and that kind of helped me, I guess. And the first lecture I attended in offline was of my favorite professor, and it was psychology as well. So that really helped. There's a lot of hodgepodge, to be honest, especially with statistics subject, because there are two statistics subjects, and one of them, the professor, the sir takes us with the BSE. Okay, because of that the timetable needs to be matched with BSE, but I guess that's not happening, or I don't know what it is. The statistics department is not happy with the timetable, so they said that that's going to change. My statistics professor is not been fully vaccinated, and that's the reason why he's taking it online. So as you noticed on Monday, after, I don't know if I said that, it's been a week. So after my psychology lecture, I was sitting in college and attending online lecture, and that was bizarre. On Friday, for example, like I was making stories on Instagram, I had 2.5 hours in the middle, between two lectures, because there are other subjects like which I have not taken, like English literature and economics and all of that. So if there would not be coronavirus, there wouldn't be online lectures, and I would have a timetable something like this, where I would be free for n number of hours or n number of minutes or whatever. So that would have been there anyway. Another thing is that we are told that it's not compulsory to come to college, because obviously not everyone is fully vaccinated, and also it's about parents' consent. These are 19-year-old kids, not everybody's going to be my age. The 19-year-old, they are kids, sort of kids. I mean, legally they're adults, but just kind of not fully adults. So they're still they do need parent consent, and parents are still worried because not everyone lives near the college. They have to travel by train, maybe they're going to take longer, metro se aao, bus se aao, whatever. So they will come in contact with a lot of people, and that is scary. So parents may not allow. So that's the reason why you can attend online and you will get attendance. So offline is not compulsory, but surprisingly, I do want to go to college and attend college offline. It's very nostalgic for me. So one of the 2 degrees that I have attended, they were so the psychology lectures happen in that college. So when I attend psychology lectures in that college, in the classroom, it's so nostalgic, because I used to attend lectures in that college a few years ago. So I really feel amazing, and not everyone gets this opportunity, to be honest. So I just want to take it all in. That's not the reason why, but I like it. Also, after staying at home for so long, when I get out of the house, it feels good. It feels nice. Even if I'm getting sweaty and all of that, it still feels good, because I've been in the house cooped up for way too long. Although I like being here because I'm very lazy, but I don't know, I'm very surprised by myself. Second is that because I'm getting out of the house, I am walking. I don't complete 10,000 steps, but I complete around 8,000 to 9,000 steps whenever I go to college. So I'm happy with that. Another thing is, so there is this balance, okay, which is what I love. So out of 6 days, 3 days I have to go to college, 3 days I can stay at home and chill and attend lectures. That's amazing. I believe that life is all about balance, and it's so hard to balance life. Like when you are in a term, it's difficult to, take enough amount of breaks and chill and study. Sometimes you are overworking, and after the exam is over, you are going to chill completely. So there is no balance exactly. Technically, there is no balance. So that's what I like about this, that 3 दिन college जाओ, 3 दिन घर पे बैठो. It's amazing. Like going to college for 6 days a week was too much for me, because meeting people, talking to people, interacting with everyone, sweat, traveling. Oof. So I like the balance. So that makes the whole experience good for me. So although I'm not really happy with the whole blended mode, and like, yeah, sure, you can say that I am doodh tondi bana karte hain, or I'm double dolki or whatever. But I've noticed that I'm in mixed minds when it's the online day for me. I'm really happy that I don't have to go anywhere because I went yesterday, and I'm excited to go the next day, like tomorrow. But on that day, I'm kind of happy that, yeah, I'm gonna stay at home and chill. But when I have to attend lectures, that bores me, and I wish that, oh, you know what, I should have gone to college, although it's not my day to go. So I am not very, I've not come to terms with how I feel about online anymore. Um, but yeah, I guess by next vlog, next month or a month after that, I think I'll have a clear idea about how I feel about the whole thing. I still haven't understood how I'm supposed to manage my energy, because every time I get home in the afternoon, I crash. I'm so tired. I can feel every bone and every muscle in my body. Not really, but that's how it feels like. So yeah. And with this, I'm just gonna end the vlog. You heard my verdict about the blended mode and online and offline. So yeah, let me know how you felt about this. I'm sure this vlog is going to be longer, maybe 30 minutes or so. I hope nobody clicks off and everyone is entertained. I'm gonna try to edit it like that. And I'm just gonna go now and get some sleep. Bye.